October 19, I'm here in Tiny Box Coffee. First time in Balagtas, Bulacan. First time.
Oo, yun ah.
October 19, quiet please. October 19, andito kami sa Tiny Box Cafe. Itong in-order ni Ate Susan ay hot coffee with cinnamon. Dito ako sa Tiny Box Cafe. Kasama ko si Hope, si JC, si Jade, si Ate Susan, and my bossy. Ito yung in-order ko. I don't like coffee. October 19, I'm here in Tiny Box. Eto, Balagtas. First time with my bossing, my daughter, my nephew, my son, and Ate Susan. October 19, andito ako sa Tiny. October 19, andito si Bossing, si Hope, si Jade, si Ate Susan. Dito kami sa Tiny Box. Palipas oras lang, coffee,